Yes, come.
We know that you have not been noticed, but then you are one of the respondents. Are you aware of the facts of this case?
No, Lordship. Just now, Director has instructed me to appear, Lordship. Just now.
Just now, the director of NJIOS.
Ah. Let me give some time.
You do one thing. You just find out from the NIOJS. What is it?
NIOS.
National
NIOS office
Yes.
about the registration process and whether they keep the records. Right. This is with respect to some of the aspirants who have only 18 months of diploma, which has been permitted by a Supreme Court judgment. But then the state, to a large extent, rightly says that we need to verify whether these are the persons who are real, 18 months diploma holders while teaching in a school. Now, anybody can, and you don't even permit. You'll have to go through the brief, otherwise it'll all appear very abstract to you.
Lordship.
But the matter is urgent. You find out and tell us next week.
Well, what we can do, we'll supply a set of the writ appeal.
Please, take them.
Or tomorrow morning at 10:30 we'll hand over because it'll bulky paper.
Yes, Mr. Arvind.
I would like to make a small submission.
Yes.
Now, in the writ proceedings, a particular pleadings were there. They filed a writ appeal without the basic document,
Yes.
which also Lordship has condoned. Now they want
we
to...
have not condoned. We will take it into account.
Yes. Okay, Lord. Now they are bringing some additional affidavits, whether they have taken the leave of the court or not, because that is not permissible. I have series of judgments on appropriate time I will place that if new facts are to be brought at the level of appeal, intra-court appeal, then there has to be a leave granted by the division bench, which they have not done till now. If Lordship gives them the leave to bring the additional facts, then Lordship will give us notice, then we can rebut by filing a counter affidavit.
That objection is sustained.
Deeply obliged.
Take down.
I just need 5 minutes if my lord would permit.
There is a division bench judgment of our High Court, my lord. I made this submission. I'll place the judgment, my lord.
Post filing the additional documents,
Yes.
which were not part of the writ record,
Yes.
we have to give them time, no?
Of course. And we have served these copies when?
At the time.
And at the filing, they could have filed a reply to that. They have not filed till. It is not that we have not served them a copy.
Mr. Advocate General raises a preliminary objection. So
Yes.
we accept this affidavit for a proper determination of the case and we grant you post facto leave with the liberty to the Advocate General to
I was not sure whether they are going to press it or not. Today they have pressed it. So I have raised the objection
No.
at the appropriate time.
Mr. Saikia, we have sustained your objection.
Highly obliged, Lord.
Even otherwise, the matter will not be heard.
This situation sustained. We often come across in Hindi movies, but objection overruled.
I have used this expression after 10 years.
But we enjoy that expression when we see it in the movie as well as in the court.
Can I just take 5 minutes of my lord's time if my lord would permit?
Yes, what do you want to say?
Well, there are about 6 applications listed today, and I had the privilege to assist the learned single judge in this very matter, my lord. The Honorable Supreme Court had passed the order, my lord. I just need 5 minutes by watch. I'm not taking my lord through any of the documents, but just wanted to give a brief background because the Honorable Supreme Court, I had the privilege of assisting the Honorable
That's
Supreme
all
Court
right.
also in the very same matter.
Mr. Kalra, you address us on the next date.
Yes. Can I just take 2 minutes, my lord? Can I just take 2 minutes?
That would not be necessary. On the next date, we'll give you 20 minutes. Don't worry.
Very well. My lord, then, my lord, may kindly be pleased to issue notice in my application because these applications are for impleadment because some of the parties were there before the single judge and some are similarly placed.
That may not be necessary. We'll decide it on principle. That may not be necessary. We will decide it on principle. We will
Very
deal
well.
with your IA. We'll deal with your IA, no doubts.
Very well. Very well, my lord. And there is one last thing that I wanted to say if my lord would permit. I had mentioned on the last day, my lord, that after the learned single judge's order, there has been another judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court in the very same issue. where the Honorable Supreme Court has observed that relying upon one document, which is an experience certificate as certified by the Government of India,
You had said that on that
is-
day. We remember.
Yes, my lord.
You had said that.
That needs to be taken. And the last thing is, my lord, some interim prayer today needs to be considered, my lord. The reason is this, my lord, that most of the appointment letters have already been issued by the government.
So we have already
Now,
made
today-
it subject. We have already made it. Any future appointment letter will carry that caveat.
That may be continued.